Hello, hello, my beauties. All right, so I'm determined to get this right today. We are going to have sound and videos all day. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. So, you know right now that it's flu season and we are all very busy ladies. We don't always have time to go to the salon. Well, I have new products available right at shoploveyourtodayboutique.com, or you can stop in and shop here in Brownsburg Monday through Saturday. Tomorrow I am doing a local Brownsburg community event, so it's off of Main Street. The post is on my page. Come out and see all the vendors, and it will be a good fun time. It's over by Best Friend Bagel and Coffee, or by Pizza Hut off of Main Street. So let me just tell you, we are all washing our hands. It's flu season. We know coronavirus is out there. My daughter actually washes them so much that her skin is raw. So we have to remember to moisturize our hands as well as wash them. So I found these Repair and Care foot masks. They literally fit like a glove, and Repair and Care hand masks. These are only $5. I'm going to put them on the website today under the fashion accessory menu. And they are from green tea extract, so I love the ingredients. Sometimes the words when you're live. It has collagen in it, olive fruit oil. It has just wonderful things in it. As soon as you open it up out of the bag, it smells like you're in a spa, which is also great. I love those smells. I'm always like, oh, it smells so good in here. Okay, so easy to do. Pamper yourself at home. Just make sure that your hands are already clean and already really dry. I mean, dry them thoroughly, okay? Then all you do is you take this, you open it up, and the gloves will be attached right here. All you do is pull them apart. There'll be one this way and one this way, and then you put the gloves on. You leave them sit on, put them all the way on. I pushed them all the way down, and you leave them on for 20 to 30 minutes. I've already done 3 lives, and I'm still wearing them, and the smell is amazing, and it feels very good. When you're done, these go right in the trash. You can still do things if you need to, but if I were you, I'd take the 20 minutes, put your feet up, sit back and relax, and just take a break. Everyone can find 20 minutes. And remember, you would have gone to the salon to do this, and you would have paid a lot more. These are $5 per pack. And then when you take these off, make sure if you have any excess of it, you massage it into your skin. I know that mine are already feeling much better. I'm really bad about moisturizing. So check these out. Try them out. You can get them right now by commenting with the word hand or foot, or say both, and I will get you an invoice and I can ship them today. All right, everybody. Have a beautiful weekend. If you need something to do, come out and see us. The post is on my page, and I'll be reminding you as well with other posts later in the day. Stay kind, be sweet, and as always, love your today, my bold beauties. Bye, everybody.